Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about jazz apples and the best uses for these delicious little apples. Like most any apple, jazz apples are excellent for any type of fresh application that you have. They pair well with blue cheese, goat cheese, cheddar, and Gouda cheeses as well. They're also excellent in salads, served with dips, especially caramel, and you can even add thin slices of jazz apples to sandwiches and burgers. Regarding baking, jazz apples are an excellent choice for any baking application. Their flesh and their flavor both hold up well when they're baked, so they're a great choice for baked apples. They can also be included in pies and tarts, galettes, crisps, and dumplings as well. You can also bake them into muffins and cakes and breads and anything like that. You could also roast jazz apples along with vegetables, or even add it to like a poultry stuffing for sweetness and moisture. Regarding cooking, jazz apples can be cooked in dishes where you still want that apple to maintain its shape and some texture. Since the texture of jazz apples holds up well with baking and cooking, they're not the best candidate for making applesauce unless you like your applesauce to be a little bit chewy. Okay, that's a good point for you there to remember. The flavor of jazz apples does pair very well with fennel, pork, pear, ginger, cinnamon, and even poultry. Regarding drying them, like making baked chips with them or dehydrating, jazz apples work very well for either one of those applications. Their sweet tart flavor will hold up very well when it's been dehydrated, and they can be baked into chips as well. You will want to treat them first with a lemon water or an ascorbic acid water or a citrus water, something like that, to help preserve the flavor and keep them from oxidizing in the process. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.